My name is Murtaja. I am working as an Information Security Officer in Al Ain Sport and Culture Club. Our Al Ain Sport and Culture Club, it's the biggest company in Al Ain, and it has a sister company, three sister company under this umbrella. Al Ain SG with sport gaming, and Al Ain FC football school, and Al Ain Invest. So our main course, it's of course football, which we have, which we are our champion of Asia, and of course legal in UAE. I am handling information security in the club. Additional of that, the IT operation, data center operation in the club as well. So my role, it has make sure that data it's safe and not going in the wrong person, and someone can take it and steal it. Additional of that, stop it the hacking from outside, and make sure from operation of the data center up and running 24/7, and of course keep running the IT. It's important those days for all other sector like HR, finance, operation, facility management, and even our Invest company, it has like online store and even mega store. So all of these departments depending on our IT. So we make sure from all this high availability and make secure for the data for them. We are 5 in the departments. We have, of course, the IT manager and the information security, for which I am handling. We have also 1 person for the application and 2 for the support. Additionally of support, daily support for users, we segregate them like it's 1 for networking, additional the second one for servers and storage, such of that criteria. Our role, it's make the users, of course, working and for all the time, and we giving support them whenever they need, and we give them the data to reach the correct data, whatever they need all the time. So our role to make them happy, data safe, they can finish their work easily without uninterrupted, and of course they can access it from anywhere and secure. That one, it was started since 2 years. Of course, the COVID-19 has changed the IT rule for whole the world, not even in UAE. So the management was facing the challenge of how can operation for our club keep running during the COVID-19. So that was challenge for us because we was not ready for that. Even was communication with our side, it was limited for the IT people or for the top management, but was not for all the department like finance, HR, procurement, and rest of departments. They have access to our environment from outside. So the challenge for the management, they was required those people keep working and running even from their home with short notice and with short time. So that was a challenge for us and for them. And that's why it make for us the challenge as well internally in the departments, how we can do this one and what the solution it's required to finalize this one and keep our operation running. And of course we did that, we succeeded since 2 years back, of course, with help from Manage Engine, and we did it. During that period, and of course, we was hurry to run operation in our IT department. So we focusing to have the most important, or let's say a critical one for users, and Manage Engine they can supporting very quickly. Or the OP manager, which keep our data center up and running. We need to make sure that our servers, our firewall, link, and lease line, all routers, all of these up and running, and functionality for those devices, it's working fine. Operation manager, which keep our data center up and running 24/7 for servers, virtuals, router, switch, whatever is requirement. So Manage Engine with their product, they help the IT department to show for management. Deployment manage engine product in our environment, it helps us because it saves us our time from, of course, working and getting the information, reports. So definitely, whatever product it has, it saves us our time. From OP manager, it was for us to make sure the latency and I hopes between the servers is correct. And especially because like we have like a host, we have virtual machine, we have switches, and additional of that, once also start people using the work from VPN. So all of this, the OP manager help us, okay, to know the traffic exactly between the VPN and the firewall to reach our main servers, and the time and the length, all of this give us the information exactly if it's correct or not. If maybe we need to increase the LAN line or not, or maybe the problem from the user side, his internet is slow or not. So all of the OP manager give us this information to take the right decision. Do you need to increase this or not, or shall we move like increase CPU or increase maybe network adapter additional of that server? It might be communicating faster and easier for the user. So OP manager giving us all this information to help us to improve our network size. Before OP manager, everything was single. Like we log in by server, we log in by switch to troubleshoot. But after OP manager right now, like we have a map, so we know each like server is down, this switch is down, or we cannot reachable. So after OP manager, we have the map for our all switch, where is it? So we can know exactly where is the down happen exactly in this switch or on this server. It meet our requirement in our environment exactly, monitoring and the backup of the switches as well, and the core switches, which we can configure it in OP manager. So we can ask the OP manager to take a backup from our switches and core switches like every week, and the configuration save it in certain of place, even patches, switches patches upgrade, it can do it through OP manager. So those kind of criteria which we requirement in our environment, based off that, we agree with OP manager. The support team from Manage Engine did installation and configuration for our products, and we are all happy with this. OP manager give us information for our environment exactly what we have, and we became know exactly if something happened in like not even a switch, in board in a switch, like down or up or something. So we get the right now where is the problem exactly. So even if someone like in X place in our environment say, okay, I don't have internet, so we became know like his board is down or not. So that's make us easily to troubleshoot and know exactly what is the problem from where. Business perspective for OP manager, what we facing, like we are know right now, and our operation is running 24 hours by 7, as I said before. We have online store, we have mega store, and of course criteria of our business, it's high. So now OP manager give us now alert before the issue is happened. Like some example, if CPU is high, or there is like IHOPs high in the network, or memory something high, or disk full even. So all of this information helps to fix it before it's happened. So that's keep our business up and running in our environment.